If Microsoft Word is showing error code 44, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can get Word working again. This is a common issue that can happen when Microsoft Office services glitch, when the installation gets damaged, or when Word needs a repair. The good news is that you can usually fix it without needing advanced technical skills. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is restart your PC. A full restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh the system. So once Windows loads completely, open Microsoft Word again and check if the error is gone. If Word still shows error code 44, move on to the next step. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Type services.msc and press enter. This opens the Windows Services window, where you can manage background services that Office depends on. Now scroll through the list and find Microsoft Office Click to Run service. This service is important because it helps Office apps run properly. Right-click on it and choose Restart. Wait until the service fully stops and starts back up again, then close the window and try opening Word once more. If the problem is still there, the next step is to repair Microsoft Office. Open Control Panel, go to Programs, then click Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list of installed programs, click it once, and then select Change at the top. You should see repair options, and the first one to try is Quick Repair. Select Quick Repair, click Repair, and let it complete. This usually fixes minor issues without taking too long. Once it finishes, reopen Word and test it again. If error code 44 is still appearing, go back to the same Microsoft Office entry in Programs and Features, click Change again, and this time choose Online Repair. Online Repair is more thorough than Quick Repair because it checks and replaces damaged Office files using Microsoft's servers. It may take longer, so be patient and let the process finish completely, even if it seems like it's taking a while. After the repair is done, restart your computer again and open Microsoft Word to see if the issue is resolved. If Word still shows error code 44 after both repair options, the final step is to uninstall Microsoft Office completely and reinstall it from the official Microsoft website. Go back to Programs and Features, remove Microsoft Office, then download a fresh copy from Microsoft, install it, sign in with your account, and activate Office again. A clean reinstall can fix deeper problems that repairs can't resolve. By following these steps in order, you should be able to fix Microsoft Word error code 44 and get back to working normally. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.